Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and just a quick disclaimer: if you wish to set your own photo as a wallpaper, I highly recommend go to your gallery, choose the photo and then tap on the three dots icon. I think in the right upper corner it is the easiest way to set your photo as a wallpaper. However, if you wish to find some online wallpapers, then follow my steps. So here in the settings we have to scroll down and find Personalization. Let's tap on it. And here we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. We can change the wallpaper just by tapping on custom. However, I highly recommend simply swiping down, because here we've got this whole wallpaper section. Online wallpapers from which we can download some beautiful options. Here we've got those which are, let's say, highlighted thanks to the editors. Here we've got some new options. This one is cute. And some kind of super wallpapers which we can also download, and the system wallpapers which are pre-installed. If you wish to check some further options, beautiful options, simply tap on find more. You will be transferred to the themes. Of course, give all the permissions, and what's best here is that the wallpapers are free of charge, so you can simply find something, you can download it. You do not need to have the account. You do not have to log into your Xiaomi account, which is also great. So this is how it works here, and let me maybe pick this one. I really like this one. So all we have to do right now, after finding the wallpaper, is to simply tap on it. Your device will need the internet connection, of course, if we are using something from themes, so be aware about that. And now we can check the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and here we can change some effects. Here, for example, in the lock screen we can blur the option or keep it sharp just by using this drop icon, and it's a nice option. However, we cannot really change the level of this feature. So as you can see, this blur effect is really strong. So it's up to you whether you'd like to use it. Here you can also tap on select, and you will be transferred to those system wallpapers or local photos. So you can also choose something from your gallery, and AI dynamic wallpapers. So they are AI generated. Alright, so I think I would like to leave this one applied. So now all we have to do is to tap on apply in the right upper corner. And here we've got the information. We can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.